settling a case without your consent in a legal malpractice case. Good afternoon. My name is Neil Burns, and along with my partner, Roshan Jain, we represent victims of legal malpractice and personal injury. And I want to talk today about when an attorney settles your case without your consent. We've had a lot of these cases, and I don't know why we have, but we have. I think some of the firms, the TV firms, or the firms that are just overwhelmed with intakes and trying to move volume through their office, think that because they have a signed document of something or other, power of attorney, that they can just settle your case without your consent. This is not the case. Your case, you need to be involved in the settlement resolution of the case. It goes down to communication. It comes back to communication. You need to be communicating with your lawyer on a regular basis as to what's going on with your case and why what's going on is going on. There are delays because of courts. There are delays because of getting medical records. There are all sorts of delays, and they're not your attorney's fault. Sometimes it's your attorney's fault, in which case you can talk to him or her and say, hey, let's get this thing moving. But if you're talking with them on a regular basis, it's less likely to happen. So communication is the number one thing you need to do to prevent this. If it's already happened, if you get a check for something you didn't agree to, an amount you didn't agree to, and we have this all the time, either a check or there's a strong email that says we settled your case, just sign here. You don't have to sign. You can get another attorney. You can even talk to your attorney about saying maybe you didn't understand this aspect of the case. There are attributes that you may not have understood. Talk to your attorney. If they settle it and there's a check there, or they sent you a check, you may have a legal malpractice case. Call Burns and Jain. We have this, as I said, we have this all the time where people get a call or a check or an email saying, we settled your case. You don't even sometimes talk to an attorney. It's a paralegal. Sometimes there's no malpractice. It's all they can get. That was the insurance policy. So be in communication with your attorney. Sometimes they didn't understand there's a permanent injury. And sometimes you don't understand what's going on, so you need to do that. If you feel you've been injured by your lawyer because of this, call Burns and Jain, 617-227-7423. Thank you.